What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Stone Bros video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a nice simple sketch of Shrek for easy beginners. And this is like the most common used picture of Shrek, so it'll be nice and easy. And before you click out of this video or leave the channel, make sure to check it out and see what other awesome videos we have for you. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's get right into it. So first you just want to start with the basic head. It's almost like an egg. Now for the face details. A bit of wrinkles. Now I am going to go over it with a Sharpie instead of blending it with a pencil, so it looks better. A nice Shrek. Hopefully yours turned out a little better than mine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully now you can draw a pretty good Shrek. Now before click off this video, please go down to the channel, check it out. We got some really cool videos like Rubik's Cube tutorials, Slinky tutorials, and all these other awesome videos. Please go check them out. I'll see you guys next time.